Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another week in my business vlog. I haven't done one of these in a long time. I've been pretty preoccupied with like personal stuff and things going on. Obviously I've been working on my business, but like just nothing to show and not in the mood to share, you know? So today's the first official start of one. This should be a very exciting one because I'm having my first event and I might have lipstick. I looked in the mirror and I had lipstick all over my upper lip, so if I still do, just ignore it. Yeah, my event is going to be this weekend, so this is the Sunday before, so I have a week. Today I'm just working on some revisions to like the landing page. I sent out an email to all of the people who have confirmed to attend so far. So I'm actually trying out Squarespace's email feature and it's pretty easy and nice. This is pretty much what they saw, so oh gosh, my battery's gonna die. But it's like this cool colorful thing and I thought it turned out pretty cute. So what I'm doing right now is creating this like landing page for our workshop attendees, and I just created this little graphic in PicMonkey, and then small PDF is what I use to compress my PDFs because you can't just upload the PDF as is. It'll be too big, at least on Squarespace. So yeah, small PDF is what I use, and then I'm going to basically people on the email list who've already registered for this event are gonna get the link to click over and download this, so they won't need an email address or anything. I just sent that out and now I am getting ready to edit a vlog. I have so much footage from the past month, really. I have Puerto Rico footage, I have Christmas footage, I have just all kinds of stuff, so I need to figure out, I'm gonna try to get into one vlog just to catch you guys up before I post this one, because it's gonna be weird if I just hop in and all this stuff has happened, because it's been a crazy month. So working on that, and then I have a call with a mentorship client in about an hour and a half. So I'm gonna charge this camera and I'll connect with you guys in a little bit. Lasagna and Golden Globes night. Whew. Whew. Hey guys, what's up? So let's catch up and let's talk about what's going on in my biz. First of all, I'm wearing a pajama shirt. Norris got me these pajamas for Christmas. I've been wanting a pair like this and I love them. I love them because I was just on a call with Ryan and it's like, it borderline looks like a shirt, you know? So I was like, whatever, YOLO. I mean, I probably wouldn't wear this with like a very super professional corporate type call. Definitely wouldn't, but with Ryan I can. So anyway, we wrapped our event. We do have a video kind of recapping the event and I'm excited for you guys to see it. It went really well, spoiler alert. But I'm just kind of doing like the next things after that. So I wanted to walk you guys through what those things are after the event. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going through the emails that we had and I'm categorizing them in our list system. So what we used for these email campaigns actually for our event, which if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we had a personal branding event. You guys probably, if you watch my channel, know what I'm talking about, but basically we did a little presentation, we took headshots of everybody, and yeah, it was just like all about building your business, did some worksheets together, stuff like that. So what I'm doing now is I'm going into our email system, which we use Squarespace, not an ad, but I wanted to show this to you guys because I've never used the Squarespace emails, but it's kind of a long story. I'm not gonna go over why we did this, but we don't have our own website for notable branding. Hold on a sec, I just got a text message I gotta open. So we use Squarespace. Long story short, we don't have our own website set up. We have our own domain set up, but it just lives on my website. Anyway, if you have a Squarespace site, honestly, I don't know what size site or what plan you need, but I think pretty much everybody has access to this email feature. If you used MailChimp before, it's very easy to figure out, but I'll walk you guys through just like a little snapshot. So I haven't set this up yet either. I need to do welcome emails and like do true funnels and automations. I haven't gotten there yet. Anyway, I just did a blast and there's like all of these different layouts. So obviously you have to, you know, customize a lot of this stuff, but like if I use this, a lot of these elements are gonna be in here, which is pretty cool. So yeah, there's like fun animations, there's cool, like this is, this is the one that I used for Notable. This one, it's the pitch layout is what I used for our welcome email. Yeah, they just look really nice, just very Squarespacey. I feel like Squarespace looks so professional and so polished. And these emails I think look the same. So I really like the look of them. Not sure on, you know, the actual everything else, but they look really good and it was really easy for me to figure out. So I did that. So anyway, what I'm working on now is just taking the emails that, you know, attended and adding them to a list, taking the no-shows, adding them to a list, things like that, so that, you know, my lists are segmented, because if you didn't know, the better your email lists are segmented, the better they perform, because you can truly cater your emails to those people. And another thing that I'm going through and doing is I'm actually updating our website. I'm just customizing that to reflect that the event is over. So I went ahead and I removed the ticket purchase. Obviously they were sold out anyway, but removed that and added a newsletter sign up block instead, so that people can get emails when we have new events. And then I also added a contact form at the bottom there. So if anybody wants to reach out about a custom workshop or question about a past workshop or anything like that, proposal for collaboration, whatever, they can email us through there. So what else do I have on the agenda for today? I have some podcast stuff. I want to edit a podcast. Oh, I have a coaching call in about a couple hours with one of my mentorship clients. Anyway, I'm going to be working on a couple of things, have my call in a bit, and then I'll talk to you guys probably a little bit later tonight and, you know, just talk to you guys about some stuff that I'm doing in my life. Okay, bye. Quesadillas. Good quesadilla. I've been using this brand, Siete. I normally use the almond flour ones, but they were out of them last time I went to Whole Foods, so this is my first time trying the chickpea flour, but I can tell you the almond ones are amazing. It's so hard to find gluten-free tortillas that are like soft and semi-bendable. So yeah, I've been making quesadillas a lot, if you were curious. Yes! So I just filmed a video. I'm gonna edit probably for the rest of the night and prepare for some podcast interviews. So that's kind of like what my business has been lately since I'm relaunching season 3. I have been doing like short episodes, like 20-minute episodes, but I think next week is gonna be my official season 3 launch, like a real episode. And then the week after that, I believe I should have an interview. I actually got some really good news that one of my sort of dream guests said yes. So I've been wanting to get this person on the show for a long time. I haven't tried or asked. It was like first attempt and they said yes. So I was like, yes. So anyway, I want to make sure that I get some great questions prepared. So I'm going to work on that. A lot of you guys have asked me for video editing tutorials. So I thought maybe I'll add a little like sort of time lapse of me editing. Let me know if you guys think that's cool, and if you guys really want to see how I truly do it, you can slow it down. Just go to YouTube, click on the little gear icon and slow the video down if you guys want to see that. If you guys like that, let me know, because I've thought about doing like a live editing like chat session. Does that sound fun? Let me know. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys my editing in a second, but I also, before I went, I wanted to talk to you guys. I'm trying to do the little assumptions tag thing, and I asked you guys some assumptions of me on Instagram the other day. If you guys haven't seen those videos, just type up like assumptions or something on YouTube. I just think they're really funny, and it's kind of a fail. I only got 3, so I thought I'd just read it in this vlog. This isn't really Week in My Business related, so don't get mad. Some people get mad when I inject personal things, but guess what? Sometimes my life is being funny and chill too. So this one is probably the funniest one. I literally laughed out loud when I read this. Off camera, sometimes you get real ratchet and talk with hood slang, which I find hilarious. And I'm not sure that I would say ratchet. Like, I'm not like Cardi B, you know what I mean? Love the gal, but that ain't me. But I definitely do talk with a lot of hood slang. You know, I think a lot of people think that I like grew up in the suburbs or something, and I didn't. Like, I mean, I know maybe I talk like I do, but I didn't. The things Norris and I say to each other, you guys would be like, you know that meme where the guy's like, yeah. That you go to a lot of shows, music, and somehow meet every famous person. I used to go to a lot of concerts, but I'm getting out of it because I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting a little too bougie. It's not VIP, but you can buy like balcony tickets and you get amazing views. That's what I saw, lights that way. Anyway, now that I've done that once, I like don't want to go to a concert any other way because you can actually sit down up there. You don't get like beer spilled on you. You're not like in all this sweatiness. So anyway, long story short, I really don't go to a lot of concerts anymore. I've gotten a little too old and bougie for it. I have met quite a few famous people, but you know what the funny thing is? And Norris and I were just talking about this last night. I do not like celebrity worship. Like, I don't worship any celebrities. I could meet a famous person and I'm like, hey, what's up? Like, I liked that song you made. Like, they're no different than you or I. And it's funny because I've actually, in my business, I've worked with quite a few people who are celebrity-ish, like either really famous YouTubers or well-known musicians or popular people in the media. And they're great, but you know, they're no better than you or I, like honestly. And I'm not saying that to downgrade them. Like obviously, you know, if you're a musician, let's say, you're clearly better at music than me. But a lot of times they don't know how to do like very simple things that are like second nature to me when it comes to business or, you know, technology and things like that. So like, everybody's just talented at different things. And I think some people are just, I don't know, not to downgrade talent. Obviously it's amazing. I love art and music, but I don't worship celebrities. Like, they're just people. This last one said, I assume that you'd be living in LA, not Michigan, because you seem like a Cali girl, which is also funny. I think if I were to live anywhere else in America, I would probably choose LA, like definitely over New York City. I do feel very at home, not in LA proper, but like when we were in Orange County, I was just like I had every piece of worry and stress was just gone. It's really an amazing place, but I like where I live, you know? And I don't like the heat, fun fact. I actually really like to be cold. Okay, so the thing that actually sparked this whole idea for me to do the assumptions video was I got several comments on an Instagram story I posted of like, I was going through old pictures of myself and my dad and, you know, my family and stuff. And I posted an old picture of me and my nose when I was a little kid. And I got several people be like, did you get a nose job? Which I guess I take as a compliment in a way, but no, I have never gotten plastic surgery. Plastic surgery is not for me. I don't think I ever will, at least definitely not in the near future. No shade to anybody who gets it, do you? But it is crazy because when I look at those pictures, I'm like, my nose was really different. Like my face totally stretched out because it used to be really short and therefore it made it like really flat and wide. Like I had like no, what is this called, a bridge? I had no bridge when I was younger. It was just like, whoop. And then obviously I contour my nose too. So even if you look at pictures of me in high school versus now, my nose is gonna look much different because I do contour my nose. So anyway, thought that was funny. Hope you guys enjoyed. So I just realized, number one, I have to edit this vlog. This video that I just recorded is actually going up after this, so might be a little bit meta. We're gonna be editing this vlog inside of this vlog. So anyway, I'll show you guys that in a second. I also just wanted to chat with you guys. I know I did a whole video about sponsorships, but I actually have received several sponsorship emails today and over this past week, which I don't know what's going on because normally I don't get that many at all. But I do need to reply to this one. So I just wanted to give you like a little behind the scenes of what it's really like. So they reached out to me. They said, hey, are you interested in our product? It's actually like a service, like an online service, and it does fit really well with my audience. So I said, hey, I'd be interested to hear what you have to say. So I said, okay, perfect. We'll come back to you with a proposal, like a formal proposal. So right now, it took about 2 days and now they came back to me with a price, which is really nice because a lot of sponsors don't, like they dance around that. Like they're like, give me a number. And I'm like, well, you give me a number. You're the one who was asking for it. You know what I mean? You know your budget. It's annoying, but I get it at the same time. It's like business. But anyway, this company did not do that. They just gave me a number, which is nice. And then they gave me outlines for each of the videos that they would like created. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going through, reading through everything that they said and just deciding if that is something I want to do. If I agree, I'm going to send them an email back. If I don't agree, I'll probably do a counter offer. As you guys know, I recorded a podcast episode. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it up because it's all about my nightmare sponsorships that I've had. And like, I'm always just so worried about sounding overly negative, but it's like, I also think those types of episodes are helpful because they help you guys understand the negative side of this stuff. So I don't know, let me know in the comments if that is an episode you guys would like to listen to. It's like my 3 horror story sponsorships. Anyway, though, I mentioned in that episode that I don't really take sponsorships a lot anymore. So I really do have to be like truly excited about it to do it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this one, but I just wanted to give you guys like a little bit of background behind the scenes of what it's like. It's really nothing too crazy. I mean, for some of them you'll get on a call, like if it's like a big project, but this one is just videos. Oh, last thing, personal life related, is you guys might have noticed that I actually have some stuff on my walls. So that's exciting. Something I'm really excited about, it's a Shepherd Ferry poster. This was actually created in, I think it was, 2015 after the terrorist attacks in Paris. So this is like France's, I don't know what you call it, like their national like motto or whatever. So yeah, Shepherd Ferry created it in support of France during that time, and it is actually a signed picture. My mom made me this for Christmas, but I really don't want to show you guys because it has all my personal family's pictures, and I'm really weird about that. I just don't like my nephews, you know, being on camera. But anyway, that's me when I was a baby. It's nothing personal, it's just they don't choose to be on YouTube, you know what I mean? So until they tell me they want to be on it, I'm not gonna put them on it. And then we have this giant Detroit flag. This was like the only place we could think of. And then we still need to figure out our shoe situation. This is like the leftover. We have a bunch more in our rooms, in our closets and stuff, but this is kind of like our everyday shoe corner, and we need to do something about it. And then we also need to get some skate holders things so we can put our skateboards up on the wall or something like that. But anyway, we have this big Detroit flag. There's lots of space right here, so it's kind of cool. We took a bunch of pictures in front of it. I liked how they turned out. I do quite like how this turned out though, the lighting and everything. So this is a little preview for the next video that's gonna be coming up on this channel. So anyway, my battery's flashing. So yeah, let's get into the editing portion of the video. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.